Bitcoin hash rate hits all-time high as publicly listed miners' share of the network peaks. Bitcoin's 7-day moving average, 7 DMA, hash rate surpassed 700 EH/s for the first time, marking a 13% increase since April's halving. The Bitcoin hash rate has surpassed 700 EH/s for the first time, marking a 6% increase over the past 7 days. Bitcoin's hash price briefly went above $50 ph/s, a 2-month high, as mining profitability increased driven by a spike in transaction fees and a surge in Bitcoin's price. The 7-day moving average of Bitcoin's, BTC, hash rate has hit an all-time high of 703 exahashes per second, EH/s, the first time the network's hash rate has cracked 700 EH/s, according to Glassnode data. Hash rate refers to the total combined computational power used to mine and process transactions on a proof-of-work blockchain, such as Bitcoin. Bitcoin's hash rate has grown almost 13% since the halving event in April, when the total number of Bitcoin produced per day was cut in half to 450 BTC. Public Bitcoin miners increased their hash rate share. Data from Bitcoin mining analyst Sebastian Ski shows that 12 of the top publicly traded miners contributed 28.9% to the total hash rate in September, translating to over 200 EH/s. Their contribution to the hash rate continues to increase month over month, and has jumped by almost 10% since October 2022. Ski alludes to the public miners are taking market share away from other miners in the world. Ski also mentions that the biggest gainers in hash rate growth in the past 12 months are CleanSpark, CLSK, Mara Holdings, Mara, Riot Platforms, Riot, and IREN. This also coincides with the top Bitcoin miners seeing month-over-month production growth for September. Bitcoin mining is one of the hardest industries to stay profitable, due to its capital-intensive nature, on top of block rewards getting cut in half every 4 years. As a result, the weaker miners will have to unplug from the network, as staying online is not financially viable. Therefore, miners with the lowest cost of energy or the strongest balance sheet will continue to increase network share. Hash price jumps to 2-month high. Bitcoin's hash price, which measures mining profitability, recently jumped to $50 per petahash per second, ph/s, for the first time since August, according to Glassnode data. The slight surge in hash price was due to Bitcoin's price climbing to $68,000 and an increase in transaction fees due to the on-chain minting of the Runes protocol that made up over 50% of all transaction fees on October 17th. As a result of the hash rate hitting all-time highs, the next difficulty adjustment is scheduled to increase by over 4% on October 23rd. Bitcoin's difficulty adjusts every 2016 blocks based on the hash rate, ensuring that blocks are consistently mined on an average every 10 minutes.